Hey you guys, welcome back to Paradise Delights. Today I am making some key lime pie. Y'all, when I tell you this pie is the bomb.com, it is the bomb.com. Okay? Okay. So if you want to learn how to make this pie, then keep watching. Watch and learn, baby. Watch and learn. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video so far. So now it's time to try a slice. Oh my goodness, I could not wait, y'all. Oh, and it cut out so nicely. Look at that. So originally I was planning on just having one little bite to show y'all as I was recording, but it was so good that I just kept going. So that first one was just like, it went down so fast. Then there we go with the second bite. I was like, oh my gosh, this is so good. I'm just gonna eat the whole dang on slice. Yes. Now I didn't show all of that, but obviously that's what happened. Because that boy was gone. But anyway, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Keep coming back to see all these delicious recipes, you guys. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Give this recipe a try. It's delish.